I'm trying to understand if you can hear me. 1 second. Yeah, no way to check. Okay, let's imagine that you can hear me. Otherwise, yeah, otherwise, yeah, it will be a missed stream. So, yeah, as you see, I'm not home, I'm driving, and I need to find a way how to start the stream because my channel is small, and to start any live stream, you should have at least 50 subscribers. So please subscribe, or better, 1,000, so it wouldn't be private and will not have any limitations. So good that other streams not have all of that conditions, so we can continue as usual. Yeah, initially I planned today to do some session with ChatGPT about Ukrainian developers, some myths, jokes, and beliefs about them. But yeah, at the moment it's not possible because we are driving. We are driving, by the way, on the beautiful island. It's called Mercer Island, and we have some business with my wife here. Now we drive on the big road on the water line, mostly waterside line. Um, we even used to drive here when we don't have anything to do here because it's a beautiful place and we like to drive somewhere where we want to have our home and live. So yeah, it's a nice place and we are driving right here. By the way, yeah, because we can talk about ChatGPTs today, surely we will talk later in our upcoming sessions and streams. For another thing about ChatGPT is that if you saw any description or any, let me see if screen is okay. Yeah. If you saw any descriptions or of my previous streams, and it will be available on that stream as well, this stream as well. Also, keywords, etc. It's all generated mostly on fly after stream ends, and I can download video. I created a simple tool which can transcribe my video. Yeah, probably I need to switch on some light because it's not so visible. Yeah, which can transcribe my text, and then I use that transcription to generate some description, other things, ideas for name, etc. And probably I'd never create that tool in the first place, GPT prompts, but I created it to help my friends and my wife who do streams in different languages, like Ukrainian, Russian, etc. And Google ability to understand the languages and transcribe them, not so good. It's much worse comparing to some open AI models like Whisper. They do its job much better. So basically my tool is nothing else than upload file, extract audio part of it, then run through Whisper to get proper transcription, use the transcription to create text, and use transcription and text to generate proper descriptions and all the ideas around titles and else. Then I add more scenes to it, like I added some generic prompts. So you just put some information about your channel, etc., and it will create basically more clear descriptions, more targeted descriptions for your channel, not just generic ones. So yes, I put some UX, UI for that and call it YouTube AI. So let me know if you want to hear more about it or if you have any questions. Based on that, probably I can continue to work on that tool and share access to that tool with someone who is interested. Yeah, about the driving, it's pretty cozy in most states in United States comparing to Ukraine. I know that many countries to United States driving in most cases rules in India looks like no rules here. But in Ukraine, we care about getting into line and getting as fast as you can to the where you need to be. And yeah, there is no like ethical culture of driving. Some drivers, of course, could be very helpful, careful, etc. But like overall style, it reminds me driving in New York, for example, when we were there. So yeah, in New York, after like other states, if you came into the New York, you need to be slightly with slight drive with pressure and some aggression and stuff. So you should remember how you drive in your home country. Also, slightly more aggressive compared to others. California, I haven't been to every state, but I had the feeling that New York and in California, Las Vegas, maybe the most aggressive style driving cities in the United States. Maybe more if you have any insights, tell me. So I had a feeling that my mic are not working fine, and I don't know how to check it. Give me a second. Okay, at least it shows that everything is allowed. Yeah, probably, you know what? I'll stay somewhere. I'll stop and I try to check very quickly how do my sound check. Because it would be a pity if I call it the stream without any sound again. Okay, I'll stay here and do very brief check.